Hey everyone, this is Sony the RV DJ, and today we're going to be installing some accent trim rings on the 2025 Gladiator for your vents. There's one there, and one there, and two in the back. And they look like this. So what we're going to do first is going to prep the area, clean it off with a paper towel with some alcohol on it, and then what you do is you peel off the 3M tape paper, and they should go right on just like that. And I picked gold because the truck already has gold accents here, and there's gold stitching in the dashboard, so that's what I went with. Gold seems to be a perfect color, and I will peel the paper off and we will bring it back. Okay, so now that we have the backing tape off of the trim, very easy. All you do is put it over like that. Press it on real good. Just like that. Actually matches. It's the right shade gold that the trim is on the dashboard. Then we do the same thing on the other side and in the back. And that's that. Really easy installation. It takes 30 seconds. And that's the installation of the accent trim rings on your 2025 Gladiator. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.